Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Ford EcoSport key. First, you will need to identify the correct battery type, which is typically a CR2032. Gather a small flathead screwdriver and your new battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid misplacing any tiny components during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient battery change. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the casing. Gently insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a careful and steady hand, twist the screwdriver slightly. This action will help to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be sure to apply gentle pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing during this step. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, take note of how the old battery is oriented. Typically, the positive side faces up. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pop out the old CR2032 battery. Now, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press the halves together until you hear a secure click, indicating they are properly sealed. Once reassembled, take a moment to test the key fob's functionality. Try locking and unlocking your vehicle to confirm that the new battery is working correctly and your key fob is fully operational.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.